If you quickly need to make social media posts like Pinterest pins, images for your Instagram or for your social media, then you need to be using Microsoft Designer, and it's completely free, and I'm going to show you how to use it. You go to designer.microsoft.com. You can type in a prompt right here to describe the design you'd like to create, and then they can generate it for you. So let me give you an example of something I'm working on right now. Okay, so I just finished writing a blog post and I need a Pinterest pin. So let's just write in Pinterest pin for my blog post titled this, and then we're gonna go ahead and generate. We're gonna go over here and it's generating. And you can see some really amazing ones. They have a lot of fruits and vegetables. So if you put in the words, it can just generate it for you automatically, which I really, really like this a lot. I'm gonna go ahead and pick one. So which one do I like the most? Okay, I'm gonna click this one. So it's really cool because it actually can make videos for you. Actually, I like this one too. But we're gonna go ahead and click this video one, and then we're gonna go here and do custom design right here. So when you come in here, it actually becomes an editor. So you can actually go in here and this is templates, my media, visuals, text, brand kit. So if you want to add any of these things, you absolutely can. And it also comes over here and has new ideas. So you can actually generate different ideas, which is really cool because you can actually just download this. And then if you want to create different, because this is for Pinterest pins, I just need like different images to promote my blog post, right? So this is really easy because it's just a different template, but it's linking to my same blog post. So this is really cool. And you can go ahead and download that. And yep, and you can remove the watermark. So you can check that, and then you're going to go ahead and hit download. This is another incredible AI tool to help create your graphics for your social media, and it's really fast as well, and you can actually customize it to a lot of different things like I showed you. If this was helpful, go ahead and hit the follow button, and I share more tips and tricks about ChatGPT and AI tools for your blog and content creation.